Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices. Say for example, your phone, your Android phone, maybe your MacBook, or maybe your PC. So you can do this basically on your phone. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Gmail app. Now once you're in the Gmail app, go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the top right. Next, you want to go ahead and find Manage Your Google Account. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Security. And from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see your devices. So in this section, this will show you where you're all signed in. So as it reads, I have 5 sessions of iPhones, 2 sessions on Android phone, and 3 sessions on Windows computer. If you go ahead and tap on that, you'll see more details on where you're signed in. So here, I've got 5 sessions and it'll tell you all the sessions. If you scroll down, you'll see the Android phone sessions. If you scroll down again, you'll see the Windows sessions. And if you scroll down again, you'll see the MacBook sessions. So for example, if you want to sign out of this, go ahead and tap any of them. And then tap on Sign Out. Then tap on Sign Out. Now once you do this, this will basically sign out from that session. As it reads, it has been signed out. So there you go guys, that is how to sign out from your Gmail account from other devices. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.